Welcome to the Great Gadgets channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best vegetable choppers of 2025. Whether you're looking for speed, precision, or versatility, we've got the best options for your kitchen needs. We've thoroughly researched and tested each model to ensure they meet the highest standards of performance and durability. Watch till the end as we reveal a game-changing chopper that could transform your cooking experience. Be sure to check the links in the description for detailed pricing and further information. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Let's get started.
Number 5. Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the Fullstar X OTOTO vegetable chopper, a cool collaboration that brings together Fullstar's precision and OTOTO's innovative design. Ready to make meal prep faster and more fun? Let's explore what makes the Croc Chop the must-have kitchen gadget. The Croc Chop isn't just a vegetable chopper, it's a fun, crocodile-shaped powerhouse. With 5 interchangeable blades and adjustable settings, it effortlessly slices, dices, and grates your favorite ingredients. Whether you're prepping for a salad or soup, this chopper does it all in a snap. Ready for healthier meals without the hassle? The Croc Chop makes chopping vegetables and onions easy, leaving you with nutritious dishes in no time. Say goodbye to the stress of time-consuming prep work and hello to more fresh, vibrant meals that taste amazing. Looking for the perfect gift for a cooking enthusiast? The OTOTO X Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is a game-changer. With BPA-free, dishwasher-safe materials, it's safe, durable, and easy to clean, making it the ideal addition to any kitchen. Who wouldn't love this handy kitchen companion? This veggie cutter set comes with all the essentials: 1,200 milliliters catch tray, 2 cleaning scrapers, a finger guard, a cleaning brush, and a blade organizer. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the Croc Chop ensures you have everything you need for quick, healthy meals. The Fullstar X OTOTO vegetable chopper is a must-have for any kitchen. With its versatile blades, fun design, and helpful accessories, it takes your cooking game to the next level. Ready to make meal prep fun? Grab your Croc Chop and start chopping today. Number 4. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the kitchen-in-the-box food processor with a 400W all-copper motor. This handy device not only chops vegetables but also grinds meat and helps with various kitchen tasks. Let's explore its features and see if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Whether you need to chop veggies or grind meat, this food processor's 2 speed settings have you covered. The 400W motor powers through ingredients quickly. Choose level 1 for soft foods and level 2 for tougher ones like meat, making meal prep effortless. Operating this food processor is simple. Just install the blades, add your ingredients, align the lid, and select the speed. For precise control, press briefly and release the button as needed. It's user-friendly and saves you tons of time. Cleaning is a breeze since both bowls are dishwasher safe. For the motor, just wipe it with a damp cloth. The unit is equipped with an overheating protection system for added safety, ensuring long-lasting use. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty. In conclusion, the kitchen-in-the-box food processor offers powerful performance, convenience, and safety. It's an ideal tool for busy kitchens, offering versatility with its meat grinding and vegetable chopping capabilities. If you're looking for an all-in-one food processor, this might be the one for you. Number 3. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of the 2025 upgraded ZTQ-CSQ Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to prep your veggies, this slicer might just be the tool you need. Let's break down its features. Safety is key when it comes to kitchen tools, and this slicer has you covered. Unlike others, it has a built-in blade design, so you don't have to worry about replacing blades. Plus, it keeps your hands safe while slicing. You'll never have to stress about cutting yourself again. Time saving is another win with this Mandoline slicer. You can quickly adjust the blade thickness using the dial and knobs on the back. With just a few pumps, you'll have perfectly sliced veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and even French fries. It's that easy. Cleaning the slicer is a breeze. Simply rinse it under water and use the included brush to clean those tricky crevices. If you're in a rush, feel free to pop it in the dishwasher. Plus, it folds up for easy storage, no more clutter in your kitchen. The ZTQ-CSQ slicer is designed for stability. It has a triangular bracket for firm support, so you can operate it with one hand if needed. With 8 suction cups, this slicer sticks securely to your counter, ensuring it stays in place while you chop. Durability is important, and this slicer doesn't disappoint. Made from food-grade ABS plastic and featuring sharp stainless steel blades, it can handle tough vegetables like sweet potatoes and beets. The large capacity tray helps catch all your slices, making prep easier than ever. Overall, the ZTQ-CSQ Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool. It's safe, time-efficient, easy to clean, stable, and built to last. Whether you're a home cook or a busy parent, this slicer will make your veggie prep a lot easier. Number 2. Welcome to today's review. We're diving into the Anthter 600W Professional Food Processor. If you're tired of spending hours prepping food, this versatile machine promises to change your kitchen routine. From chopping and slicing to blending and making dough, let's see if this food processor truly delivers. Despite its compact size, the Anthter food processor offers a 600W motor that handles all your food prep tasks. It's perfect for those looking to save time without sacrificing performance. Whether you're chopping vegetables or mixing dough, this processor has the power to make quick work of it all. One of the standout features is its 7-cup capacity. This is ideal for large families or when you're preparing food for guests. It's big enough to tackle larger batches, but also versatile for smaller portions. Whether it's baby food or a large meal, you can rely on this processor for consistent results. The processor includes various attachments like a reversible disc and multiple blades, allowing you to slice, chop, and grate with ease. There's even a blade specifically for pasta. This multitasking machine ensures that no task is too big or small, making your cooking experience seamless. In conclusion, the Anthter 600W food processor is a game-changer in the kitchen. With its powerful motor, large capacity, and versatile attachments, it makes food prep faster and easier. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine, this processor is definitely worth considering. Are you tired of spending too much time chopping veggies or dealing with messy prep? The Alligator Vegetable Chopper with Container is here to revolutionize your kitchen routine. With its sleek design and sharp stainless steel blades, this chopper makes food prep faster and easier than ever before. Let's dive into why it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. This vegetable chopper is a game-changer when it comes to food prep. It's built with a solid, professional-grade design that ensures clean cuts every time. No more squished veggies. Plus, it's super easy to clean after use, saving you precious time. Quick, simple, and mess-free. Say goodbye to the frustration of uneven cuts. The Alligator Vegetable Chopper features beveled blades that slice through vegetables effortlessly. Whether you're cutting onions, peppers, or carrots, the sharpness of these blades guarantees perfect, clean slices every time, ensuring your meals look as good as they taste. Not only is this chopper highly functional, but it also looks great in any kitchen. Its modern, stainless steel construction adds a sleek touch to your countertop. And because it's dishwasher safe, it makes cleanup even easier. It's durable, stylish, and built to last, making it the last chopper you'll ever need. The Alligator Vegetable Chopper with Container is a must-have kitchen tool. It's efficient, precise, and easy to clean. Whether you're making salads, prepping veggies, or dicing fruits, this chopper gets the job done quickly and mess-free. Upgrade your kitchen game with this reliable, high-quality tool today.
That wraps up our list of the vegetable chopper in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to the Great Gadgets family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.